You search for how to buy shares of CAR.ASX Limited. The company runs an online automotive marketplace and is listed on CBOE AUS as CAR.ASX. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAR.ASX. Then select the listing that matches CAR.ASX Limited to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart or historical data. Confirm the name and ticker to ensure you have the right stock. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for the link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.